And Magloobah, the name, it means upside down. So why upside down? We're going to show you how to do this, and we'll go step by step with you tonight. Okay, this is what we're going to need to do the Magloobah. Well, of course, we need like a big pan, cooking pan and frying pan. We're also going to need some chicken. You can get chicken thighs from any grocery store. Normally we put some vegetables with the Magloobah. Today what I have in the kitchen, I have eggplants and some potato. So I'm gonna use what we have. We can also add some cauliflower to it. And the way we're gonna do this, of course there will be rice involved, and we're gonna need oil and salt, and of course plenty of water. Okay, let me tell you what we need to do first. We need to do a few things separate, and then we will add them up together. Hashim here is going to help me with some of the vegetable cutting and everything else in the kitchen. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do just a guy cooking. It's nothing fancy, no chef experience needed. Whatever you have in the kitchen, we can always use that. Alright, let's get going. Okay, now after we peeled the potato, we're going to cut it in bigger pieces. This probably is the biggest. We don't want them too small, otherwise they will not stay together. Eggplants. Let's get the cap off here. And I think we're going to probably do all of it. Now we got these ready, and now we can take them to fry them. Okay, we're going to wash the chicken in the big pan, and I think this is just about the right pan to do this. We need to cook the chicken first and make sure it's almost halfway done, if not all the way done, and then we can add the rest of the stuff on top of it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the stove on high until we get this cooked. Okay, and in the meantime we're going to get the eggplants and potato ready to fry them in the frying pan. Let's start with the potato, because normally the potato does not take a lot of oil, and we're just waiting for the oil to get hot, and then fry it like halfway, just to give it the taste of being cooked. And then we're going to, after the potato, we're going to fry the eggplants, also halfway cooked. And I think the oil here is kind of ready. We can go ahead and dump these inside and wait for these to cook. Now you can see the chicken has started cooking a little bit better, and we just turned the heat a little bit down, so we give it its time to cook. And the potato is kind of halfway done. For a few minutes frying, I think that's kind of where we want it at. And we're going to take the potato out and put the eggplant that's on there. I'm gonna leave it for another minute or so. Okay. So now I think this is it's almost done there. So what we're gonna do? Yeah, it still can cook more. As you can see, we need to flip them upside down. And as you can see, the eggplant consumes a lot of oil. So I didn't really add any oil into the chicken or into the cooking pan, cooking pot for that reason. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the stove off and see. Yeah, I think that will do it. And while we're waiting for this, I'm going to get the rice ready. I'm not sure how much rice we're going to use, but let's see. Just to clean it up a little bit. Now, so let's go ahead and what we're going to do now. Okay, now I think all the ingredients are ready to go together, and that's how this is going to work. Here the chicken is kind of halfway done. This is what I'm going to do. Put the potato and spread them all the way around. And again, we have the eggplants in here. Now this is all what we have all together. And at the end, what we're going to do, we're going to cover, put a layer of rice on all of them. So let's see if we can do that. We covered the cooking pot with rice. I'm going to put more water in here. What I learned is to add water to cover all the rice. Alright, now we're adding more water to cover about one finger, about the one finger thick above the rice level, and we're going to wait on it. We can't do it in high, it has to be in medium or low, and wait to see how that goes. And we didn't really want to add any oil because I think we have enough oil in there from the fried eggplants and potato and the chicken itself. But I think we need to add some salt. Yeah, we need to add some salt. To our dish, and that's all what we need after putting everything together. And now we can turn the heat a little bit up so it will get it to just about boiling point, and then you turn it back down so it will be cooking slowly. Okay, and after 20 minutes this is what we get. We still need to leave it for, I don't know, about maybe 10-15 more minutes until it all dries out, and then we turn the heat off. Okay, after 40 minutes, looks like it's almost done. We still have some water coming from one spot. At any case, there are a couple things that you do not want to do when you're doing this dish. Some people start stirring to make sure the whole thing it cooks, like doing this stuff, stirring the food. Do not do that. Just leave it alone. Put everything together like this, and it will cook just fine. Once you start stirring things, you will mess things up, and it will not be well done. Just leave it alone. As you see, it will come out just nicely, and you don't want to do that. Okay, after an hour, you can see now the rice and the whole dish is done. And what we need to do, see this is a trick, and that's why we call it the Magloobah, or upside down, because the chicken and sometimes people make it with meat. It's all below and at the bottom of the cooking pot, and the rice on top. Some people, they just grab from the top and serve themselves. But the right way to do it is to take the cover off, and we can take it all the way and get a big plate like this, and we need to flip this one upside down to this plate. And while we're doing this, just to make sure we're doing it safely and correctly, this is what we're going to do. Here, so that we hope it is not burnt at the bottom. So let's see how that is coming out. Okay, we still have some stuff inside, chicken, and that looks very good. See if it is cooked well. Looks very hot. You want to try a piece? What do you think? Hot, hammy. Okay, here it is, guys. And yeah, as far as the salad we use with this one, we have tomato and cucumber salad and cucumber and yogurt salad. And I will be posting another video, simple videos, to show you how we can do that, which is a very simple process, but there's a video for it. Alright, thank you guys, and I hope you enjoy this video. It is a famous dish in Jordan, and this is cooking while my wife is away. My son and I mastering the kitchen, trying to survive and make some food for ourselves. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy it. See you next time.